So for this problem, what is the seventh term in the sequence if the fourth term is 31 and the 10th term is 73? So for this arithmetic sequence, using this formula, but since in the problem there is no given first term, then we're going to use this formula. So take note that if there is no given first term, then use this formula for the arithmetic sequence where this a sub n is the last term. Since from this given, the last term is the 10th term, therefore a sub n is equal to a sub 10. So that's the 10th term, and the value for the 10th term is 73. So therefore n equals, so since a sub n is equal to a sub 10, so therefore n is equal to 10. Then for this a sub m, so a sub m is the other term except the last term, because the last term is a sub n. So the other given term is the fourth term. Therefore, a sub m is a sub 4, or the fourth term, and the value for the fourth term, that's 31. So therefore, m equals, so since a sub m is equal to a sub 4, therefore m is equal to 4. Then to find now the seventh term, so we need to find first the common difference. So substitute now all these values to this formula. So we have a sub n, that's 73, then equals a sub m, that's 31, then plus. So we have n, and n is 10, then minus m is 4, then times the common difference. Then we need to transpose now this 31 to the other side. So this becomes 73 minus 31, then equals this 10 minus 4, this one is 6, then times the common difference. Then for this 73 minus 31, so this is 42, then equals 6 times the common difference. Then to solve for this, so divide both sides by 6. So the common difference is equal to positive 7. So since we have now the common difference, so we can find now the seventh term in the sequence. So from the fourth term, a sub 4 is equal to 31. So we can find the fifth term, and this is equal to a sub 4 plus the common difference, or we have a sub 4 is 31 plus the common difference, that's 7. So therefore the fifth term is 38. Then to find the sixth term, so sixth term is equal to the fifth term plus the common difference, or this is equal to 38 plus 7. So the sixth term is equal to 45. Then to find now the seventh term, so this is a sub 6 plus the common difference, and the sixth term is 45 plus the common difference is 7. So therefore the seventh term is equal to positive 52. So this is now the seventh term in the sequence.